Hi guys, this is the configurations, and today we have the Canvas 4, and we're going to take a review of the latest firmware, the custom firmware available for the Canvas 4, which is called the Speed V2. And I really like this firmware because it is derived from the Xperia devices, which is a very renowned device. You can see, so all the goodness of the Xperia interface has been brought into this device. So let's see the interface here. You can see this is actually the lock screen, and it looks stunning, and everything is customized. You can see the time shown in here is in is in Xperia font. Everything is in Xperia. It really looks great in this Canvas phone. So the lock screen itself gives the phone a very premium look, and the effects are really stunning. And you can see I really like this effects much higher than the Canvas 4, the original Canvas 4 interface. So it's very customized. So let's unlock the screen here. You can see the screen is unlocked. So you can see this is actually the interface, and this is actually the pages you can see here, and you can add up to 7 pages, 7 home screens here. So let's go into the basics of the device. Let's go into the dialer first. So you can see it has a very customized dialer rather than the stock Android, which seems very beautiful with the white theme here. It's really like it, it really looks great in this device. And you can also hide this number pad here, dial pad here. You can just hide it by tapping it here, and you can scroll down and take a look at the contacts. And if you want the dialer, you can just click on this button and you can get dialer back. So, and also they have also created a great feature. If you touch on the contacts here, the dialer will be auto hidden, so that you can get access to the contacts. So it's really done it really nicely, and you can't see these features in the Canvas 4, the original UI of the Canvas 4. So that's also a great thing to see. And the let's go into the second thing, that is contacts. Let's see the basic features of contacts. So you can see the contacts is not much different from the stock Android, but they have applied a very good theme here, which I really liked it, and I really appreciate the work they have done. And the basic difference is that they have always provided these 3 buttons here, which will be always remaining on the screen. So you don't need the hard keys on the bottom, so you can just use that the soft keys on the screen instead of these touch keys on the bottom of the Canvas phone. So if you install this firmware on your device, you don't need to use that what touch keys here. The you can always use the screen itself. You don't have to go down and touch the other buttons, so that's really nice. You can just add any contact if you want to, and contact any add any send any contacts by message. You can just click on that contact and just click this message icon, and you will get that particular contact in the message. So that's really nice feature, and it's very handy when you are looking to send a contact to your friend through message. So it's really handy feature of Canvas of Xperia interface, this interface. So that's about the contacts. So let's go into the messaging department of the device, which is also very important and very basic thing. And I must say that they have really done very much higher customization in the messaging department. So let's see, let's edit the message. You can let's see so let's get into the messaging menu, and you can see the typing, the keypad is also much customized than the usual Canvas 4. Very looks very nice. You can see here, very nice appearance, and it's really the touch and the prediction text are also very well done by the Xperia. So that really looks nice. So this everything about this interface is completely Xperia, and you can't see any elements of the Canvas 4 in here. So let's go and see how to send a contact through message. You can see, so you can just type the text here. So, and you can, if you want to attach any contact, you can just click on that icon, the particular icon that I just click on this icon, and you can just add that contact and click done, and you can see that contact is also attached. So these are great features that has done in this OS. That's really nice to see, and it is not available for the original Canvas. So that's is really nice customizations. And let's go into the gallery and see the customizations in there. So these are really nice customizations in this OS, and I really liked it very much. Okay, now you can see, let's go into the gallery of this device. So this is actually the gallery, and if you slide it to the left, you could see the preview of these clips get shortened, so you can see a large amount of content at a particular window, so that's really handy. And if you slide to the right, you can enlarge the preview, and you can see in more detailed view of your images. So that's also a great feature. And you can see you can arrange it to the album view. You can see Facebook pages, for Picasso photo, everything in there. So it's really nicely done. And let's say they have also provided a really nice feature in this device, which is a slideshow feature. Just like the STC devices, uh, this interface also comes with slideshow. So let's get into the slideshow menu. You can see sends me slideshow, which is also very handy in this device. You can see, so if you have photos, you can just click on this play button. You can change the theme and music. And if you have set in 3D frames and default music, and I just click play, and you can see the magic of this device. And you can see the interface. The whole photo will be turned into a very nice animation effect. This is really nice in this device. So you can see how fantastically done. So these are all the Xperia features available in only in Xperia devices, but we through installing this ROM, we are able to integrate these features into the Canvas Flow. So those people who are very tired of the user interface of Canvas Flow, this is a great alternative, because it gives a very good flexible interface, and also a very advanced gallery and all that thing. So let's go into the Walkman and see how the music. This is actually the music player of this device, and you can clearly see the songs here. And if you play one song, and you can just, when you play the next song, the whole color theme of the devices changes, which is very nice. And you can see the effects, the sound effects, and the video quality, the sound quality also has very much improved. And you can also see the nice effect in here. When you click the pause button, it actually does in 3D view. You can see it actually turns into pulse, and the nice animation effects. So I really like this appearance of this interface, and it is really nicely done by the in this ROM of Xperia. And let's see the customizations in the front home screen. You can see if you want to edit the home screen, it's very simple. Just hold down, and you can see this 3D view here, and you can see every pages in 3D, and you can just go through every pages. And if you want to add pages, you can just click on this add button, and you can add whatever amount of pages you want, and you can just close it by just clicking on this close button here. So it's really done very simply. So let's see how to add any widget into this. You can see the widget button, and you can just click on that, and you can add that widget. Just click on the other widget. So it's very simple. You don't have to click and go into the home screen, then you have to come back. Usually the Canvas Flow interface is like that. You have to come back to every time. You have to come back to this menu, and you have to select another widget. But in this case, you can just add widgets to whatever page you want. You can just add, if I want to add any contact widget, you can just click on that, and you can add the widget here. So it's very simple, and you can also adjust the size of this widget size and all the things in here also. So you don't have to go into the page to do any customization in there. So if you don't want it, you can also delete it. So it's very simply done. So you can just delete it from dragging down it here, and you can also delete this widget also. So it's very simply, and very nice animation effect has given. So let's go into another interesting feature, which is also customization here. So let's go into the how to insert apps into the device. You can see, just click on the app, so you can get all these apps here down here. So you don't have to go into any other menus. You can just add everything from here. So if I want to add this Angry Bird here, you can just click on that, and it will be added. Flash transfer, you can add whatever. It's very simple. You no need to get into the home screen every time to add and come back to the menu. So it's very nicely done, and you can add whatever you want. So it's very nicely done. So I really appreciate the way they have done. You can also delete this particular, if you don't want it, you can delete it just like this. It's very simply done. So these are all very good customization compared to the stock Android from the Canvas Flow. So I really appreciate that. So let's go into the wallpapers. You can see you can check the wallpapers from here, and you can also add wallpapers from the albums, and you can also add from ES Explorer, you can add from Super Gallery, you can add wallpaper, video wallpapers, all these things, live wallpapers, all available here. So you don't have to go into any menu other than this. So let's come into here, and you can just click, and you can instantly see the see the wallpaper in the preview. So it's all greatly done, and it's really simpler to use this interface, and I really appreciate the ability of this uh, firmware, which gives a very good experience when you use this device. So that's how you can change wallpaper. So there is also Xperia themes available for this device. You can select any of these themes so that you can get a precise themes for this device. So these themes will entirely change the whole concept, whole interface of the device. Each themes, you have different color combinations in settings, you have different images for the background in settings, everything changes. So everything changes depending on the theme. So that's another unique thing that I liked about this. You never get bored, because you have a lot of changes in the interface. You can experience a lot of different interface in here. That's actually really nice. So let's see the drop down menu of this device. So you can see when you drop it, the menu down, you can see that there is a little amount uh, of options available, like a speaker, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you have the settings here. So these are the primary settings, and they have really done a clever customization. Is that when you drop this menu with the two fingers, you will have a much larger variety of options here, just like the Canvas 4, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, data connection, data usage, auto profile, brightness, timeout, auto rotation, and everything is available. So you won't be disappointed by changing this firmware. If you drop down with one finger, you will get little amount of options here, just very needed options, like profile changing and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you can switch to settings. And if you tap with double finger, you will get the whole detailed version. So that's really nicely done. Hope you all enjoyed the first part of the video, and to know more about the camera quality and the memory optimization and the demerits of this ROM, please view the second part of this video. Thank you for watching.